Nokia is a very old and great smartphone manufacturing company. If you are looking for a powerful smartphone in the mid-budget, in which you get a strong 7000 mAh battery backup, with a great camera of 200 megapixels, then Nokia is going to fulfill your search. Because Nokia is going to launch another great smartphone for you. The name of this smartphone is Nokia Maze Max 5G. So if you are also thinking of buying this smartphone, then watch this video till the end. In today's video, we will give information about the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this phone. So let's start. Features of Nokia Maze Max 5G. First of all, if we talk about the display of the mobile, you will get to see a 6.75-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display inside it. It is being said that you can get 120 Hz refresh rate and Gorilla Glass 7 protection in it. Apart from this, in-display fingerprint sensor and IP68 rating will also be seen in it. Camera setup. Talking about the camera quality of the mobile, you will get to see a triple camera setup inside this great smartphone, whose main camera is going to be 200 megapixels. Apart from this, it is expected to get 32 megapixel ultra-wide camera and 5 megapixel micro camera. At the other side, this great smartphone is said to have a 50 megapixel selfie camera. Operating system. If we talk about the operating system of the mobile, then Android 15 operating system will be seen in it. It is being said that Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor has been installed in it as a processor. Battery backup. Talking about the battery backup of the mobile, you will get to see a powerful battery of 7000 mAh, with 90 watts super fast charging, which will come with Type-C charging port. Price or launch date. Now talking about the price of the mobile, its estimated price can be around $400. And talking about the launch date, it can be introduced at the end of this year.